Hello dears. Welcome to my channel Story English. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more stories. Now let's start. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a curious and adventurous cat named Maximum. Max was known for his playful nature and his insatiable curiosity. He would explore every nook and cranny of the town, always seeking new adventures. One day, as Max was wandering through the town's streets, he stumbled upon a group of discouraged mice. These mice were living in fear, constantly hiding from a menacing rat who ruled over them with an iron paw. The mice felt trapped and powerless, longing for a way to escape their predicament. Upon seeing their distress, Max couldn't help but feel empathy towards the mice. He approached them with a gentle purr and a comforting demeanor. Max understood that the mice needed someone to believe in them and empower them to change their circumstances. Max came up with a brilliant plan. He rallied the mice together, encouraging them to tap into their natural agility and intelligence. He taught them how to work together as a team, using their unique strengths to outsmart the rat and regain control of their town. With Max's guidance and support, the mice began to regain their confidence. They devised clever strategies, set traps, and developed a newfound courage. Max became their fearless leader, inspiring them to never give up and reminding them of their own capabilities. The day of the ultimate showdown with the rat arrived. The mice, fueled by their newfound determination, faced their fears head-on. They used their agility to dodge the rat's attacks and their wit to outsmart him at every turn. Slowly but surely, they gained the upper paw. In the end, the mice emerged victorious, reclaiming their town and banishing the rat for good. They celebrated their triumph with joyous squeaks and grateful hearts. Max, with a satisfied purr, watched as the once discouraged mice transformed into confident, empowered creatures. The story of Max and the mice teaches us that even the smallest and seemingly powerless beings have the potential to achieve great things when they find their courage and work together. It reminds us of the importance of believing in ourselves and supporting others in their journey towards success. So, the next time you find yourself facing a daunting challenge or feeling discouraged, remember the tale of Max and the mice. Embrace your curiosity, tap into your strengths, and believe in your own potential. And just like Max, be the guiding light that inspires others to rise above their circumstances and achieve their own greatness. I hope you found my story interesting. For more, please like, comment, share. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more stories.